Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. No one wants your boring email newsletter. Here's what they want instead. Trigger sequences. What's that? That's a sequence of emails that are triggered by an event. So for example, when someone opts in for your free gift, your roadmap, your framework, your lead magnet, it triggers a sequence of emails. When someone books a meeting with you, it triggers a countdown sequence of emails so that the person arrives at the meeting all excited. When somebody buys something from you, that triggers a sequence of emails to get them onboarded effectively, get them to a place called First Win, and that completely erases any buyer's remorse or doubt. These are called trigger sequences, and they are so much better than your boring email newsletter, and that is because you can set them up once and they work forever, and they're always going to reflect what's going on in the world of your potential customer or client. So here is a trigger sequence, a set of emails that we use for when someone opts in to our world. We call this the welcome sequence, and I believe that these are the three most important emails you will ever send. Are you ready? This is the welcome sequence. Someone opts in to get your gift, your free resource, your roadmap, your lead magnet. Email number 1 is the promise. Email number 2 is the welcome. Email number 3 is the offer. And the purpose of these 3 emails is to demonstrate that you are reliable, memorable, and commercial. The first email is the promise. It's your job to deliver on the promise that you made. If someone opted in for your free gift, give them the free gift. Don't gild the lily. Don't overcomplicate this email. Just simply say, here is the free report I promised. P.S. in coming days, I might send you some other cool stuff. I hope you're okay with that. If not, unsubscribe. Email number 2 is the welcome. This is your opportunity to tell your story. It's one of those rare situations where you can tell your story and people will forgive you. Now, the unsubscribe rate on this email is uncharacteristically large. It might be as high as 2%, but everyone else is going to stick around forever. And that is because you have told your story, you've revealed your true and authentic self, and they will stick around because the number one reason why people unsubscribe is not because you send too many emails. It's not because the emails are irrelevant. It's because the number one reason why people unsubscribe is they don't know you. They can't remember opting in, they've forgotten that you exist, or they just don't really get who you are or what you're about. So that second email is about being more memorable. Email number 3, make an offer. A lot of people send a lot of emails. There's not enough commercial stuff in their emails, and then eventually they try and sell something and people freak out and they say, why is this person trying to sell me something? I thought we were friends. So the third email, make an offer, a commercial offer. Invite someone to book a meeting with you. Don't just say, hey, let's book a meeting. Let's explore times that we might be able to work together and explore opportunities. No, invite people to book a strategy session with you or something important. We call it an appointment with purpose. We offer B2B funnel mapping sessions as the third email. People go, oh yeah, it'll be fun to map my funnel or book that call. So email number 1, deliver on the promise, demonstrate that you're reliable. Email number 2, the welcome, tell your story, be a little bit more memorable. Email number 3 is the offer, make an offer, demonstrate that you're commercial. And those are the 3 most important emails that you will ever send. And that is our favorite example of a trigger sequence.